Stop scrolling. This garlic chicken roast is so good, you'll be licking the masala off the plate. It's very simple and easy to prepare and turns out really delicious. So all you got to do is take 600 grams of chicken thighs or breast pieces and marinate it well with chopped green chilies, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, a whole dollop of curd, ginger garlic paste, squeeze of half a lemon and some Kashmiri red chili powder to get that bright red color. Mix everything well, marinate it and set it aside for 30 minutes. Until the chicken is absorbing all the flavors, let's prepare the dry spice mix. So dry roast some dried Kashmiri chilies and the whole spices that are mentioned on the screen on low heat until they are fragrant enough. Cool the mixture down completely and then add half cup of fried onions and without using any water, grind it to a coarse paste. Since all the marination is done, all the spice powders are prepared, now it's time to bring the dish together. So heat some oil in a pan and stir fry one whole roughly chopped pepper until it becomes nice and crunchy. Then goes in the marinated chicken. Cook it for 5 minutes until it releases water. After 5 minutes are done, add in some more sliced garlic cloves. This is what will give it a nice garlicky flavor. Mix it well. Then goes in the powdered paste that we have prepared. Again, give it a good mix. This spice paste is going to cause the gravy to thicken up. So you keep mixing and roast it until it starts to separate some oil. Once the oil separation step is done, add in 1 cup of water. Give it another good mix and cover and let it cook until the chicken is well done. This dish not only smells good, but it tastes absolutely delicious. You have to try it out. Adjust the salt as required, and once when you see some oil separation again, this is your sign to know that your chicken garlic roast is ready to be served. If you want, you can enjoy it in the gravy form or you can dry it out further until it becomes nice and thick. Try it out with some steamed rice or roti, paratha, whatever you prefer, and tell me in the comment section how you find it. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share it with your family and friends.